Okay, dear students, this is the part 2B. The previous one is 2A, it is 2B, it is a continuation. Okay, na? Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 later. In first week, 1 week myself and another week is Ramesh sir. 3 days, that is Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, na? So 6 parts we have to give. Already one part is over, that is 2A is over 2B. In this one, observe me, 23rd problem, observe me, it's a fantastic problem. Find the number of permutations of n distinct things taken or together, in which three particular things must occur together. Three particular things must occur together. You have to think about it. First, you study that problem. In that 23rd problem, find the number of permutations of n distinct things by taking r things, in which particular things must occur together. Particular things must be there. Okay, na? A particular things means that must be there. You see, it is a different problem. Please observe me. N things are there. Different things. We have to, by taking, you see, by taking R things, we have to arrange. Suppose 10 things are there. We have to take 6 things. Out of 10, 6 things we have to arrange. Okay, na? First we select and that 6 things can be arranged. Okay, na? That is 10p6. We know it. Here also npr, but a condition is there. Three particular things, they are particular. Okay, na? Particular things. Particular things means there must be, that 3 things must be in the every arrangement. That means there is no selection and arrange. We have to, with blindly, we have to pick up that 3 out of n, we have to arrange. Okay, na? There are R boxes are there. The 3 must be come into the place. Here you see, for those 3 particular things, there is no selection and arrangement. Arrangement is there, but no selection, because those particular things must be in the every arrangement. So this is n minus c 3, c r minus 3 ways. First, I select in order to arrange those things. Particular 3 things means without any condition, the 3 things will be arranged here only. No selection. It will come under arrange. Suppose 10 members are there, then you have to arrange 6 members. The leader comes and told that out of 10 members, you arrange 6 members. 3 members, 3 particular persons, students must be there in every arrangement. Means Nepali sir comes and gives one condition. Sir, yes sir, out of 10 members are there, 10 students are there. Okay, na? I want to arrange 6 boys. Okay, na? 6 boys or 6 girls. Okay, na? But Nepali sir came and give one sanction. Sir, must be 3 without any selection. There must be, those 3 boys must be there, sir. At the time, I don't want to select because there is no question of selection. So I reduce that 3 members. That means only 7 are there. Here also, that 3 members, that is 3 only. N minus 3, 6 minus 3. Because no selection at all. The remaining only selected and arranged. Like that here, n minus 3, c r minus 3. So selected. Okay, na? Those are selected. Again, how many members are there? R minus 3, na? 3 members are there. That A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, like that. In themselves, they may be arranged. 3p3 ways, they may be arranged in the 3p3 ways. And, Sinena, please observe. We particular 3 members I ordered. The 3 boys, you come and sit anywhere. Okay, no? So they will be arranged in themselves in the 3p3 ways, 3 factorial ways. And I select the remaining, from the remaining n minus 3, and I need only not r minus 3. So that is selected. Now I selected some people, 3 members are already is there. A, B, C, R, B, C, R, C, A, B, like that. 3 chairs are there. Okay, na? Now I have to arrange again. So setly your 3 members are there. Again, na? The remaining are r minus 3 are there. Okay, na? Here it is 1. How many boxes are there? For the 3 members, 1 set. Among themselves, 3p3 ways leave out. It is 1 set, considering 1 set. And the remaining are 6 minus 3. In the problem, it is r minus 3. R minus 3 plus 1. How much? R minus 2. So there are r minus 2 things only. That r minus 2 things can be arranged in themselves. R 3 minus 3 means 3 factors. R minus 2 p, r minus 2 means r minus 2 factors. So it is n minus 3 c r minus 3 into 3 factorial into r minus 2 factorials. You can like that. Next, very nice, very nice. Observe me. Next, I will solve the 27th problem. It's a different one. The total number of permutations, different things taken, not more than or at a time. When each thing may be repeated any number of times. And it is also a different concept. But you have to read with your own effect. 27th problem, you see, you read out, try to understand that problem. There are, how many things are there? There are n different things are there. Okay, na? Total number of permutations indeed, n different things. But out of n different things, we have to collect not more than r. You may arrange by taking r things. You may arrange r minus 1 things, r minus 2 things, 3 things, 2 things, 1 thing. Okay, na? Every time n may be, you assume 10, r may be 6. Okay, na? Here the question, out of 10 members, not more than 6 means you may arrange by taking 6 members, 5 members, 4 members, 3 members, 2 members, 1 member. Okay, like that. Then, what is the total number of permutations? Total. You see, total is, out of n, you see, one thing, by taking one thing only, one thing. It is n, there is only one box. Here n things are there. The box can be filled with any one of n. So it is n ways. It is by taking 2 things. 2 things are, the first box n ways, the second box by n ways, because repetitions are given. So it is n square. By taking 3 things, it is first box n ways, second box n ways, again third box n ways. It is n cube. Like this it is going on. The last rth only We have to take R, not more than R. First to second row like this, Rth. So n into n into n into dash dash dash, R times. It is R times n. So it is n power R. Will you agree? So what is the total? Total is, I will write it, n plus n square plus n cube plus n power 4 plus n power R, because not more than R. I am taking R mode. It is in GP. GP na? A of R power n minus 1 by R minus 1 is formula. It is a formula. Here A is n, R is also n. Okay na? But Rth term, R minus 1 by n minus 1. Okay na? Don't confuse, this is a formula only. Okay na? A is the first term is n into n square, n into n square into n cube, like that. R is also, combination is also n. How many terms are there? R terms are there. So here power R will come. Don't confuse R power n, here n power R. This is a formula. Don't confuse me. So this is the answer. Okay na? Yeah. Next. The number of ways, 28th problem, in which 10 candidates A1, A2, A3, dash, dash, A10 can be ranked such that A1 is always above A10. Also, a different type problem. Please observe. You study it well. I will read it. There are 10 members are there. In front of you, I am reading. There are 10 members. A1, A2, A3, A10. Their names A1, A2, A3, A10. 10 members are there. Here, 10 chairs are there. 10 chairs are there. Okay, now you assume 10 chairs. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10 chairs are there. Here the members are A1, A2, A3, dash dash, A10. Okay, like that. There are 10 persons. They are at one side. 10 chairs are there. We are asked to sit whatever they wish. Maybe A1, A2, A3, serial, or reverse order, A10, A9, A8, A7, like that. Or A1, A10, or A8, A9, like that. Whatever they wish, they will take the seat. Okay, now that is very simple. It is 10p10. 10 things are there, 10 boxes are there. 10p10 means 10 factorials. Okay, now. But here, not that one. It is not the question. It is not the answer. In the question, we are asked, A1 is always above A10. Okay, no? A10 first, next A1. Okay, no? You see here, suppose A10 is in the first place, A may be, A1 may be. Here or here or here or here, 9 ways are there. Okay, Nana? If A1 is in the first place, A10 is in first place, by this condition, A1 can take any, above means not very next, above any, okay, na? Higher order. So it is 9 ways, okay, na? Okay, Nana? 9 ways. If second, if A10 is here, A1 will not sit here, only here only. So now it is 8 places. Okay, the second means 8 places. Third means 7 places. Okay, then I will write here. Second means 8 places. Third means 7 places. So here one more thing is there. We are seeing, observing A1 and A10. What about the remaining? Suppose A10 is in the first place. A1 can sit in any one of 9 places in 9 ways. But the remaining 8 members and 8 chairs are there. 8p8. Okay, na? Like this. Similarly, if A10 is in second place, it is 8 for A1. If A10 is there, okay, na? A1 is taken any 8 places. And the remaining, this one and 7 places, 8p8. Okay, na? Like this it is going on. Okay, na? At last, if A10 is there in the 9th place, only one way is there. Only one. Okay, na? Will agree? So it is 9 plus this one, 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus like this. 8 plus 7 plus dash and dash. 3 plus 2 plus 1 into 8p8. That means 8 factorials. Okay, na? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus sum of 9 digits, 9 natural numbers. 9 of 9 plus 1 by 2 into 8 factors. That is 9 into 10 into 8 factors by 2. That is 10 into 9 into 8 factors, 10 factorials by 2. Okay, na? Okay, na? Will agree? 10 factors by 2 only. Here you are assuming if any two candidates are selected, or just above, or like that only, just above. That means 2 members are by 2. Or otherwise, if you ask in the question, A3, A1 is above A2, and A2 is above A3. Okay, Nana? At that time, the answer is 10 factors by 3 factors, not 3. Here also, it is 2 factors, means by 2. If 2 members are there, by 2 factors. If 3 members are there, by 3 factors. If A1 is above A2, A2 is above A3, A3 is above A4, A4 is above A5 is there, question. Then it is 10 factors by 5 factors. If all members, A1 is above A2, and A2 is above A3, and A3 is above A4, like this, it is going on by A10 also. Then is 10 factors by 10 factors. That is one. Yes, correct. It is A1 before that one, A2 A3 A4 A10. Okay, no? Like that. Only one way. So it is 10 factors by 2, only one way is there. Yes, this formula is correct. If 2 members are by 2 factors, if 3 are there, by 3 factors. Okay, Nana? Very fantastic problem. That is okay. Now, let's see. Please observe, Nana. 34th one. You solve with your own effort the remaining problems. A simple one. 34 combinations will come. In order to solve the combinations, okay, I will solve the 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, like that only. Please observe me. The remaining are the simple problems. I am solving on the board only different types of concepts only. The remaining are all same method. So you may solve those problems and practice it well. Okay, now I will solve the 39th problem. NC12 is equal to NC8. Then what about N is equal to dash asked? Suppose if a formula is there in the combination, NCP is equal to NCQ. NCQ. Okay, na? Then N is equal to P plus Q is a formula. Okay, na? Similarly, here n is equal to 12 plus 8 is equal to 20 answer. Okay, na? Combinations, not permutations. NC12 is equal to NC8 means n is equal to 12 plus 8, P plus Q. That is the formula. Next, 41. What is the value of 47 C4 plus sigma R8 plus 1 2 552 minus R C3 is equal to R square. It is also a very good problem. Observe 47 C4 plus this sigma is we remove this sigma. That means 52 minus R is equal to 1, maybe 2, maybe 3 or 4 or 5. 52 minus 1, 51 C3. 50 C3. 52 minus 2, that is 50. Plus 49 C3. 48 C3. 47 C3. 52 minus 5, 47. This can be used in 47 C4 plus 47 C3. That last can be written in the reverse order. Next 48 C3, 49 C3, 50 C3, 51 C3. Reverse order. See, one formula is there. I will tell you. What is that formula means? Observe NCR plus NCR minus 1 is always N plus 1 CR. Observe me, this is the fantastic formula. NCR minus 1. N is the same. Answer is N plus 1. Here, suffix out of N, R things. Out of N, R minus 1 things. Just. Then N plus 1 CR. It will come, it is a formula. Here also 47, just like N. 4 minus 1, 3. So here it is 47 plus 1 C 4. Okay, na? R, same R. 47 plus 1 means it is 48. Will you agree? And that is 48 C3. This 2 will become as 48 C3, 4. It is 49 C3, 50 C3, 51 C3. Again, it can be written as by using the same formula 48, 4, 3. It is 48 plus 1 C4, not C3. 49 C3. It is 50. It is 51. Again, you see that. It is 48 plus 1 means it is 49. Will you agree? It is 49 C4. So 49 C4 plus 49 C3 means it is 49 plus 1. 50. You can understand. 50 C4 is 50 C3 is 51 C3. Again, this is 51 C3 plus 51 C3 means it is 52 C3. Okay, no? C4, I'm sorry. It is 52 C4 will come. That is the answer. Okay, no? Like that, you have to. Here the main formula is this one. NCR plus NCR minus 1. Okay, no? That is the main formula. Okay, no? Okay, no? Next. The remaining in the next class I will start. Okay, thank you.